In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best Stremio add-ons in 2026, step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download and install Stremio from the official Stremio website. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install the application on your device. After that, create a free account and sign in. This gives you access to your personal setup and makes it easier to manage add-ons and preferences across your Stremio experience. Once you're signed in, launch Stremio and head over to the add-on section. You'll find this by clicking the puzzle piece icon on the left-hand sidebar. Inside the add-ons area, switch to the community add-ons section. This is where you'll find the most useful add-ons that many users rely on to improve their streaming setup. Now let's go over the recommended add-ons to install. First is Torrentio. This is one of the most popular source add-ons for movies and TV shows, and for many users, it's the main add-on they start with. It's known for providing a large number of streaming sources, which can make it much easier to find available playback options. Next is Comet. Comet works well as a backup source add-on. If Torrentio doesn't return many results for something you want to watch, Comet can often provide additional streams. Having both installed can give you a more flexible and reliable setup. Another add-on worth installing is Open Subtitles. This adds subtitle support in multiple languages, which is helpful for accessibility, language learning, or simply making dialogue easier to follow. For most users, this is a very practical add-on to include right away. You may also want to install Tracked. Tracked can sync your watch history, viewing progress, and watch lists across devices. That means if you stop watching on one device, it's easier to pick up where you left off on another. Just keep in mind that it requires a free Tracked account. There's also an optional performance upgrade that many users choose to add